Welcome, my dear student. Let's have today revision on Unit 4, Lesson 1, 2, and 3. Question number 1. Complete if angle x congruent to angle y and angle x and angle y are supplementary angles, then measure angle x equal. Can you remember what the meaning of two angles congruent? The two angles congruent if they are equal in measure. If we have measure of angle x equal measure of angle y and they are supplementary, it means the sum of the measures equal 180. So it will be 180 divided 2 equal 90 degree. Second one, if the ratio between the measures of two supplementary angles is 5 to 13, then the measure of the smaller angle is ratio between two supplementary angles. Steps will be ratio between first angle, second angle, and sum equal 18. Supplementary angles meaning the sum of the two angles equal 180. He wants the measure of the smaller angle. Smaller angle is 5. Then we will find the first angle. 5 times 100 divided 18. The answer will be 50 degree. Third one, the two adjacent angles formed by the intersection of a straight line and a ray with starting point on this straight line are. Can you remember this? If we have a straight line and a ray, the starting point on this straight line, they are supplementary. Number 4. If triangle ABC congruent to triangle XYZ, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equal 140 degree, he wants the measure of angle Z. The two triangle congruent, so measure of angle C will be 180 minus 140. And they are congruent, so the measure of angle C will be equal measure of angle Z. So it will be 180 minus 140 equal 40 degree. Number 5. Any two line segments are congruent if they are equal in, it's so easy, are equal in length. Very good. And if they are two angles congruent if they are equal in measures. Number 6. If measure of angle B equal 110, then measure of reflex angle B. Reflex angle means 360 minus 110. The answer will be 250. Number 7. If line segment AB congruent to a line segment CD, then AB minus CD equal. We will remember if AB line segment congruent to CD line segment, this means they are equal in length. If we don't write a line segment sign, it means the length of line segment AB. They are equal in length. So AB minus CD equal 0. Okay? 8. The two right-angled triangles are congruent if this last case, which is to the right angled triangles, They are congruent if the hypotenuse and the side of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding parts of the other triangle. 9. The two vertically opposite angles are, if we have two vertically opposite angles, they are equal in measure. Yes. Let's have a little exercise. In the opposite figure, a ray MC perpendicular on a straight line AB, and the ray MD bisects the angle AMC. Find with proof measure of angle AMC and measure of angle AMD. The straight line AB, we have a ray with a starting point M on this straight line. So we have two adjacent and supplementary angles. To find AMC, you will subtract 180 minus 90. The answer will be 90. We have a ray MD bisects the angle AMC. So the measure of angle AMD equal measure of angle DMC equal 90 divided 2. It will be 445 degrees. Okay, we have another example. In the opposite figure, we have AB equal AC and BD equal DC. He wants the triangle ABD congruent to another triangle, and he wants the name of case. Okay, we have two sides. Where is the third element? Can you find the third element? Yes, we have a common side. AD is a common side. So the triangle ABD congruent to a triangle ADC, and the case is SSS, 3 sides. Letter B, measure of angle equal measure of angle C. We deduce from the congruent triangle that the measure of angle C equal measure of angle B. The ray AD bisects the angle. We deduce also the measure of angle BAD equal measure of angle CAD. So AD bisects the angle CAB, because angle BAD congruent to the angle CAD. Last example. In the opposite figure, we have two straight lines intersect in point M. AC intersect BF in M. Measure of angle BMC equal 50 degrees. Find with the steps measure of angle AMF, measure of angle AMB, measure of angle FMD. If we have two straight line intersects in one point, you can find two vertically opposite angles. Here in this figure, write first in the angle BMC 50 degrees. So you can find measure of angle AMF equal measure of angle BMC by VOA, vertically opposite angle, equal 50 degrees. Second one, he wants a measure of angle AMB. We have a straight line AC, so you can find two supplementary angles. AMB equal 180 minus 50 equal 130. He want measure of angle FMD equal 180 minus, and between two brackets we will write measure of angle DMC 90 and measure of angle AMF equal 50. Then the answer will be 40 degree. This our session today. Quick revision on Unit 4. Thank you, Prep 1, for listening, and goodbye.